Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the X26R Rider Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So we need to replace the recovery tank drain hose. It's very simple to do. So what you do first is you lift the recovery tank up to expose the underside of the drain hose. Next, go ahead and remove the hose clamp that is holding the drain hose onto the tank, and just pull that end right off of there. So take your new hose and go ahead and put it back on the recovery tank, just like that. Be sure you tighten the hose clamp back down, otherwise you're going to get some leaks. Now all you got to do is wrap it back around the machine. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.